Presets are handled from the Presets menu in the web app. You go to the web app and you click Presets, and here you see the presets that are stored in the device. You can of course create a new preset, edit the preset you have selected. You can also duplicate the preset. It will of course copy all its settings into a new one, and you can delete presets. Interestingly, you can export a preset to a file on disk in case you have more units and you want to distribute presets between the units. Do it like this and it's placed on your hard drive. You can of course also import the presets. Over here you find a direct link to our presets on our web page. Simply click here and you come to the website, and you can scroll down here and select some of the factory presets. Just to check out different features. This preset page will of course expand in the future, but already now you can check out presets for loudness, presets for Atmos, for instance, both with leveling and metering, monitoring. There's also a 914 preset. And they go from being rather advanced to something really simple, like the just a moving coil preset here. You simply download the presets to your disk, just moving coil here, boop, and go to the web app and import it to the device. The device has the presets stored on it, so you don't need to recall the web app when you want to recall a new preset. So what you see here in the web app is what you have on the device right here. So go check out some of our factory presets and enjoy them.